He's just scaring them, is he?
Yeah.
Move it, woman. Sorry. Oh, I hope he doesn't. Is he putting them asleep? God, that's not something you see every day, is it? Are they actually little gunshots? Oh my God, Ziggy shot him! Oh my God!
Oh, that's the owner of the dogs.
Oh my God, it was 2 dogs!
Oh, that's the owner.
Oh no! What the fuck? Oh my God! Oh my God! Stop it, you cruel prick! No! Oh my God, Siggy! Oh my God! He's just shooting them! That must be a... Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God! I'm shaking. Oh, the poor things.
I hope he gets done for that.
If they're only 2 flipping pet dogs, they've no right to do that. They're beautiful, they're husky dogs, aren't they? Boo! Jesus Christ. Was it a pellet gun, Siggy?
No.
Oh, Siggy, my hand's shaking. Look at the camera. Oh, Siggy, the poor man. Oh, he's devastated. Look at him. Imagine your dog's dying in your arms. Oh my God. Where's the police, huh?
Are they about to get those cows?
They've been there for 20 minutes.
They chasing the cows. Whoever owns
That guy's dogs.
have control of them. That man fine stood out there with them cattle.
Animal. Animal. They're still, one of them's still alive, isn't he? Absolute animal. Well, there you go. That's fucking America for you. Guns.
That is shit, there's people around.
Somebody needs to go over to that man and help him. Oh, the poor man.
Call animal control.
It's called animal control. It's called animalism. Can I ask the man if we can help him in any way?
What are you going to do?
Just maybe...
CPR?
No,
There's
but...
nothing you can do that. You shot the dog like 5 times or something.
Hey, we'll call the cops, don't worry.
Nice one.
You'll get arrested.
I hope he gets bloody arrested. Hang on, Baba Ryan. Absolute animal. I don't see one cow injured, do you?
Who cares if the cows get injured? You couldn't eat a steak.
No, but they were playing with them. They were friendly dogs.
I know, but I mean...
Like, at first I thought it was 2 wolves coming from the forest.
Who cares about the freaking cows?
Oh God, love this poor man. I wonder if the dog's still alive. Oh. The dogs weren't anywhere near the cows when we shot them.
Where's the police?
Yeah, how long were we here? 5 minutes? Recording nearly 5 minutes. Oh, I bet you the dog's still alive. The poor man. My God. Look at this animal coming over now.
That gate unlocked.
Look at them, they're proper ripping into them with the arms, the people. Look at them. They're all going mad. Don't start saying it.
Sicko.
You know you have 2 guns.
2 guns.
Yeah. You finished shooting one and you got another one.
My God. Do you think they were proper guns or pellet guns?
No,
or
they're proper guns.
Shiza.
Don't let him leave. Cop's gonna be here in a minute.
Look at me. Reporter Debbie to the scene. Oh, here's the poor man back. God love him.
Where is he?
He better not be leaving. I don't even know if he'd anything to do with them. Those cows. He's gone walking.
That's why this guy said don't let him leave.
God
Nobody
almighty.
wants to touch him, he's got freaking guns.
Exactly. Animal. Well, I tell you, if they need proof, I have it here on my camera and they're more than welcome to it.
No sé. No sé, que no veo bien de aquí.